Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hey guys, welcome back to the next episode of Google Maps with TalkBack. In the part 1, I have already discussed about the overview of Google Maps application and how you can search the nearby things like restaurants, cafes, hospitals, and much more. In today's episode, we will see how you can search any location as per your choice using the search option in Google Maps and how you can go there using Google Maps. Before starting the video, if you want this type of videos daily basis or regular basis, subscribe to V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel if you didn't do yet. After subscribing, don't forget to press the bell icon and choose all notifications to get latest videos. Guys, we are also available in Hindi, so don't forget to subscribe our Hindi version of V.I Tech Academy. Link is given in the video description below as well as on our about page of the channel. Also, you can search on YouTube V.I Tech Academy. Guys, if you want to get updates, at first join our WhatsApp and Telegram channel and you will not miss any update. So guys, I have already opened the Google Maps and above you will find
search here.
Search here. So I'm going to search here.
Search here. Edit box. Showing English.
And here
India
I can write
30.
whatever I want to search. Let's suppose I want to go to our nearest airport, which is Dum Dum Airport. This is the airport name. So what I can write is I can just write airport
A I stop R space P O
and here you can see the search.
17 kilometers. AR Polyclinic. R Power. R Post. 9.6 kilometers. R 18 kilometers. AR Polyclinic. 9.6 kilometers. AR Portable Cab. Porsche. Portland. AR U T space Port City Machinery. AR Academy. Fort Smith. Seven.
Okay, let's
delete.
say I just type some other things like
deleted. Delete.
Dum Dum
D U M D U M space 25 kilometers. Dum Dum Cantonment. Dum Dum Kolkata West Bengal 22 kilometers. Dum Dum Railway Ticket Dum Dum Park 28 kilometers. Dum Dum Airport CCU.
Yes.
Airport Service Road International Airport Dum Dum. Activate to enter suggest 23 kilometers. Dum Dum Motiji Girls High 28 kilometers.
So let's say I want to go to here, Dum Dum Airport, Dum Dum Airport
Airport
CCU.
Service Road International Airport Dum Dum.
So let's say I want to go
West
to
Bengal.
there. Okay, I just double tap here and it will be searched
Dum Dum
properly.
Airport CCU.
And this place will open to you. See?
Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport.
Okay.
Close. Netaji Subhash Chandra
Netaji
Bose
Subhash Chandra
International
International
Airport.
Airport.
Directions to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. Airport Service Road.
So directions.
Not ticked. Start. Tick box.
Start.
Not ticked. Call Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport.
You can call
Airport
them
Service
also.
Road.
I don't know
Tick
what
box.
you can
5 of
do by
11.
calling them.
Not ticked. Directory. Tick box. 6 of 11.
I don't know what's there in directory. Let's check.
Not ticked. Save Netaji Subhash.
Okay, let me
Not
explore
ticked.
this.
Tab. Select. Tab. Stop. Photo. Button. Not ticked. Not ticked. Toilets.
Oh,
Not ticked.
here.
Shopping. Button.
Here you
10.
can see what's there.
Not ticked. Food and drink.
Food and
Button.
drink.
Not ticked. Shopping.
Shopping.
Not ticked. Toilets.
Toilets.
Not.
Okay, everything
not
you will
ticked.
get in
Not
the
ticked.
in the
Not ticked.
directory.
Airlines.
Airlines.
Search for a place here. Edit box. Up. Tab. Updates.
Okay.
Tab.
See, under
Reviews.
airport you will
3 of
find
6.
many things, na? So that's why they created a directory, and within the directory you can find the places within that airport. There is an amazing feature, as per me at least, because many those who regular use airports, those who regular use flights, so they require this. Okay, by the way, just let me know how many of you travel by flights into the comment section.
Selected. Tab.
Okay, let's see now how we can
2 of 6.
go there.
Not ticked. Food and drink.
To go there,
Button.
we need to find the
TFS Airport
directions.
Lounge. Photo. Button. TFS Air. Photo. 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 TFS Airport. Photo.
See, getting directions is quite challenging sometimes because here
Detected.
lot of
Image.
options is there.
Photo. Not ticked. Not ticked. Not Netaji. Directions to
Yes,
Netaji
I got
Subhash
the
Chandra Bose
directions.
International
First,
Airport.
let me
ticked.
not check
ticked.
this
Not ticked. Directory.
directory.
Tab. Photo. Not ticked. Call Net. Not ticked. Start. Directions to Netaji
So
Subhash
click on
Chandra Bose.
directions to Netaji,
Directions to
etc.
international departure.
and see.
Stop recording. 5 minutes. Close. Domestic arrivals. Directions to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. Button.
Okay.
1 of 10.
So here you will get some subsections. So where do you want to go? Airport,
Domestic arrivals.
domestic
3 of 10.
arrivals.
Directions to domestic arrivals.
Okay,
Button.
this is another section.
Domestic departure. Directions
Domestic
to domestic
departure.
departure. International arrivals.
International
7 of
arrivals. Okay, let's say I want to go to the airport itself.
Netaji Close. Directions to Netaji Subhash.
Click here again.
Unlabeled. Out of
But in
list.
your simple places, you never get this. Like for example, you search any service center, any offices. Okay, you will not get these type of things. As airport is a very large building and many sections, so you'll get it.
Not ticked. Modes. Drop down. Not ticked. Leave 5:01 p.m. Drop
Now
down.
see here what
Selected.
you
Tab.
get it.
Tab. Two-wheeler mode. Tab. Close. Button. Out
So
of
here
list.
at the top of the screen, you will find the mode. See,
Refresh. Button.
Sorry.
Train. 31,000. Tab. Driving mode.
Yeah.
1 hour 35 minutes.
at
1
the
of 4
top
in list.
left, you will
4
find this
items.
mode. Drive. Drive means if you are go through car. Okay.
Tab. Two-wheeler mode.
Two-wheeler
1 hour
mode.
23 minutes. 2 of 4.
Approximate timing is showing.
Selected. Tab. Public transport mode. 1 hour 52 minutes.
Public
3 of
transport
4.
mode. As last time I have said this, so it is by default it is set.
Tab. Walking mode. 7 hours 12 minutes.
I don't know
4 of 4.
who will use this walking mode, but yes, let's suppose you are in you go somewhere, and there you walk to move somewhere. Let's suppose I'm just giving an example. You come to Howrah station or you come to Delhi station, and nearby Delhi station you know there is a restaurant very close to Delhi, and you use walk mode. And in walk mode, if you start, you can just keep eye on your phone as a non-visually impaired person, obviously, and you can walk according to the map. Okay, I'm not sure how visually impaired will use this alone. I should try this once. By the way, guys, I'm recording this video at the terrace, so you may get some other noises. So avoid them and focus on my voice. Okay, guys. So now see.
Refresh. Tab. Walking mode.
So
7 hours 12 minutes.
public transport mode is
4 of
selected,
4.
and next see.
Not ticked. Leave 5:01 p.m.
When
Drop
we will
down
leave,
menu.
it is
2 of
asking.
5.
Okay, based on that, it will also provide you the best
Not ticked.
service.
Modes. Drop down menu.
Mode.
3 of 5. Not ticked. Filter by. Drop
So you
down
can
menu.
filter also,
Not
like
ticked. One connecting mode.
one
Drop down
connecting
menu.
mode.
Train 31,055 Komagata Maru Baj Nahati local, then walk for 5 minutes, then bus AC 39, VS1 or VS2.
I
Duration
don't-
1 hour 53 minutes.
I don't want
5:50
this.
p.m. to 7:40.
Let's see.
Train 34,149 Komagata Maru Baj Selda local 34,151 Komagata Maru Baj Selda local, then metro rail, blue line, then bus AC 39, VS1 or VS2. Duration 1 hour 43 minutes. 6:10 p.m. to 7:53 p.m. At 6:13 p.m. on time, 7:03 p.m. on time from Nangi.
So this is another route. So next,
Train 34,149 Komagata Maru Baj Selda local 34,151 Komagata Maru Baj Selda local, then train 31,925 Selda, Gate local 32,245 Selda, Dankni local 33,531 Selda, Hasnabad Galloping local 33,800.
okay, let's say I choose this second one.
Train 34,149
Now I expanded the second one.
Not
See.
ticked. Security on board. Drop down menu.
So these are some filters. Most of the filters are not available in Kolkata city, but if it will available in your city, then you can use. If you want to know more about these filters, just let me know into the comment section. I'll try to make different videos.
Not ticked. Women's section. View all. Start glanceable directions for this trip. Save trip. But 7:53 p.m. Middle dot. 1 hour 43 minutes. Stop recording. 10. Write 6 stops. Or view all.
See,
Also at 7. Write 6 stops. 19 minutes. Steps collapsed.
these steps is collapsed, right? 6 stops means it will show you the station's name also, where you have to go.
Toliganj. 6:32 p.m.
So Toliganj
Heading.
is the station where you have to you have to what I can say, get down from the train.
Walk about 3 minutes. Zoom map. 4 of 13.
So here you can see the map to catch the metro.
Rabindra Sarovar Metro.
This is the
5 of-
metro.
Enter via gate no. 2. Blue
Okay.
line. Dakshineshwar. Scheduled. Platform 1. Departs at 6:39 p.m. What's
know-
it like on board? More departures.
Can you understand that it is also telling you the metro's timetable, so that you can have the approximate idea when you will have the metro and etc etc.
Not ticked. Crowded. Drop down menu. Not ticked. Not ticked. Temperature. Drop down menu. Not ticked. Security on board. Not
What's
ticked.
the
View. Also at 6:40. Right 10 stops. 18. Mahatma Gandhi. CR.
see
Walk 3 minutes. Mahatma Gandhi Road.
next you need
6:57
to
p.m.
see
Heading. 5
MG
of
road, you
13.
need to stop and then
Walk 3 minutes. 60 meters. Then wait for up to 8 minutes.
okay
CR. Avenue Mahajati Sadan. 7 of 13.
okay, this is the road.
VS-2. Airport AC bus stand. Scheduled. Departs at 7:07 p.m.
Okay, this is the bus
What's it like on-
stand.
Not ticked. Not too crowded. Not ticked. No women. Not ticked. Accessible. Not ticked. Security on board. View all. But also at 7:12 p.m. Scheduled.
Next,
Right 28 stops. 46 minutes. Steps collapsed.
so here you can see all the stops of that bus which I should catch from the MG road.
Airport. 7:53 p.m.
Yes, airport.
Heading. Airport. 7:53 p.m. 9. Add to calendar. 10 of 13.
So this you can add to your calendar.
Report a problem with this
You can
transport info.
report a problem.
11 of 13. Agency info.
You can get agency info.
Departures updated at 5:00. Start glanceable directions for this trip. Button.
Okay, so you
out of
can
list.
start glanceable directions for this trip, which means you can look at a glance. It is a totally visual part.
Save trip. Button.
Save trip. If you can save this trip, then you can find it later. Okay, let me save this trip for now.
Route saved. View. Button. Route
So later
saved.
we will see where we can see this option.
View. Button. Stop recording.
Okay.
But route agency unlabeled. Out. Agency info.
Agency
Start
info is
glance.
completed.
Trip all 7:53. Middle dot. 1 hour for stop. 13 minutes. Unlabeled. Header.
So these are the options available. Okay.
Unlabeled. Out of list. Late start trip or start glanceable directions for this trip. Button.
So if I click on start glanceable directions, let's see what happened.
Pop-up window. Dismiss. Learn more. Stop recording.
What it's
Learn
showing?
this new. New. Glanceable directions is on. You see updated turns and 8 is along your route. To improve maps, navigation data will be collected as you move. To turn it off, tap the blue dot.
Okay.
Dismiss.
I just
Maps.
dismiss this and now see.
Trip already saved. Remove from save. Arrival at 7:53 p.m. Train 34,001. Middle dot.
Okay, I hope this will only applicable if I go somewhere. So currently I'm not going somewhere, so I think this will not work for me right now. So I'm sorry guys, I cannot
Train
show you this right now.
34,149 Komagata Maru Baj. Selda local at 34,151 Komagata
this?
Maru Baj. Selda local, then metro rail, blue line, then bus. 2 hours 41 minutes.
So guys, this is the way you can find the steps of any places, any unknown places using Google Maps, and if you have a certain assistant, you can definitely tell him or her and you can go there. I hope this video is useful for you. If so, don't forget to press the like button, and if you have any doubts and questions, feel free to ask into the comment section. And if you want to join our certified courses where you can learn web development with WordPress, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, basic to advanced computers, sound designing and much more, check out our website from the about page of our channel to learn more. That's it guys for today. See you soon in the next tutorial. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.